Hey guys, so I bought a thing again and it came today, so let's unbox it. Hey guys, your host Fabian from Production. So today we're doing a unboxing of a new product, well, new product to me, called Snack Crate. It's similar to what we had last time in Munch Pack, where it's a subscription-based product that comes every month and has snacks and drinks in it. The only difference is that Snack Crate is actually specific to one region, state, or country. So we're gonna open the box, see what we got, and see what snacks are inside, and let's go. So pretty much this is the box. It's kind of like it's like a simple blue box. Before, I know the Munch Pack was more like a perfect square with a little smiley face on it, but this one's just a blue box. It says Snack Crate on it. So let's not judge a book by its cover. So let's open it up. Nice, guys. So look, we got a Germany Snack Crate. So it's pretty cool. It says, you know, inside Germany, Danke Snack, means thank you in German. So inside of it gives you like a little basic information about Germany, as far as when it was established, capital, area per square foot, square mile, population, and cool fun facts about it too. So basically this is like the snacks that we get in this package. I don't know if it varies or if it's all of them inside of it. So it looks like it could be any of these actually. So as you see here, so there's different types of snacks, depending on if you got the premium box, regular box. All right, so let's get into it. Cool, so this is pretty cool. So they just gave me a little note saying one of the items that order is unavailable, but they were able to include a special snack to make up for what was missing. So that's pretty nice of them. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so already inside you see like it's already nicely packaged, everything's in there. You have the wrapping, which I already not unraveled, but ripped. So let's try these snacks out. Alright, so the first one is called, I don't know how to pronounce this, I'm sorry, I don't want to offend anybody if I don't pronounce this right, but it's called Erdnusslochen. It seems like it's just like a peanut snack that's probably commonly eaten. Oh wow, so there's like a cool texture on this. I don't know if they either like put some type of breading covering over it, because it looks like it's kind of like breaded in there. It's not just the plain peanut. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so let's see, this is pretty much what it looks like inside. Let's take a snack. Boom. So it looks pretty cool. So it looks like a kind of like a cheesy little texture to it, but I don't know if it's like a cheesy. Let's try it out. Oh wow. Yeah, so definitely you taste, you can definitely taste the peanut butter in it, the peanut in it. But I like the texture of it. So it's kind of like a nice crunch to it. As soon as you eat it, kind of like a texture of a cheese doodle or Cheetos, but it's not too cheesy. I don't know what the coating is made out of, but it's really, really tasty. Especially if you're in love with peanuts, you definitely want to try this out. So it's something I would love to go out my way just to get it. But it's good if I happen to see in a store and I'm hungry or need a little snack, I'll definitely get this, because it's not really I feel like if you eat a whole bag of this, it won't fill you up, but it'll quench your hunger a little bit. Guys, like I always recommend, trying these snacks, these snack programs is pretty cool because you can expand your palate. Especially, like, for example, if I want to go to Germany now, at least I know what snacks I can actually pick up if I'm ever there. So the next one is going to be, what is this? It's called Fructus Snooper Proofreis meets nice. I don't know what the heck this is, but it looks pretty cool. So it's like a whole bunch of these looking hollow balls that I guess have different flavors depending on the color, but we're gonna try this out. They don't really give you like what each color means or what each color flavor is, but let's try them out. Oh yeah, so let's see if I can eat a whole bunch of them at once. Alright, so I already got like a little bit in my hand, so I'm gonna just try it out and see what it tastes like. So yeah, so these like a whole bunch of like these little mini balls. Let's try them out. Yeah, so it was right. So you get like a nice sweet texture, nice sweet taste in it, and the aftertaste is kind of like a little sour. Honestly, the only thing I can probably compare this to is like if you ever eat those little like chiclets, those little like gummy things, or the gum. It tastes like that. I don't know why. It tastes like that, and then the little ball flavors. So I mean, they're alright. I definitely don't see the wow factor in this one. It's alright. I don't love it. Just because it's just, I don't know, it's just like it's too sweet for me. The fact that there's so many of them in just little tastes is like you have to do like a whole handful of them, and then even then it's like you don't even really enjoy it. But let's go to the next one though. So the next one is just like, oh wow, so it's like a potato chip. It's called Crips Fricks. This was actually a classic crunchy potato chip flavor with the taste ripened bell peppers. Oh, this must taste good. Like I love peppers. The peppers is one of my favorite vegetables, so this should taste good. Hopefully. Alright, let's see what it looks like inside. Look at that. Look at that cheese. It's good. Honestly, I really like this. Because the fact that they implemented a taste of like ripened sun-dried bell peppers. I've really never tried a chip like that before. Really good. I don't think it's that much like calories in it too. I find it really flavorful. There's a lot of chips inside of it. I definitely eat this. It gives you like a slight similar taste to what a barbecue chip is like, almost. I really like this one. It's probably, so far this is my favorite. So guys, the next one will be, as you guys know, Haribo is like the gummy bear manufacturer company that makes them. One of them, one of the biggest ones in the US. So this is actually the German version of this. So it's called Haribo Sour. So I guess I say it's sour in German, and this is Volcano. So I usually it's volcanoes. So let's just go into like this. What this says here. It says volcano-shaped gummy fruit fruit gummies that erupt with sour lava. So when you eat this, apparently there's like sour that comes out of it, kind of like lava, how it comes out of volcanoes. So let's give it a try. This is like aesthetically pleasing, to be honest. Look at that. Look at that. So you can see inside, like the red part is like where the sour, I guess like sour part is, and as you eat it, it oozes out, which is pretty cool. Like it's so fun. Like if I was a kid, I'd love to eat this. Even now, I would love to eat this because I love anything that's like gummy. So let's try this out. Really, really good. So like as you see here, like it's like, I guess the outside or the interior is like a yellow, but inside you see like a bright red. So as soon as you eat into it, or bite into it, it erupts. So you look at that. The gel inside erupts and it comes out like that. So that's like the sour taste in it. So it's really good. I really like this. I don't know if there's different flavor. It looks like they are because there's a green, red, and a blue one. This is just an innovative way of making gummy bears. Ooh, look at this. So next one is called Snack That. It's actually in English. This is Kuchen Schieben. So it looks like a pound cake type of snack. All right, cool. So let's open this up. So it already tells me that on here is like where you open it up. It's kind of weird. It's like the upside down of it. But let's try it out. Yes. I'm guessing this is a marble cake because it looks just like one, and I love marble cake. So already you can see that it's really easy to break open. Boom, you see the chocolate right there. Nice pound cake. So I'm gonna see if there's anything different about it though. On the actual book, it says that this is going to be, it's a delicious combination of a sweet vanilla and chocolate cake mixed together in a delightful marble pattern. So it's definitely, yeah, marble pound cake. So let's give it a try. So see here, like, look at it. The chocolate is definitely present there. Nice vanilla fluffiness in there. Nice little crust. Let's just give it a try. You definitely taste the chocolate in there. It's really prevalent in the actual pound cake. The only thing is that it tastes good, but one of the key things when making pound cakes is to make it nice and moist. But I understand that since this isn't a wrapping and the actual like pound cake itself, it's a little dry. But I don't know if it's because like it's been packaged for you know, a couple days or something like that. But normally you want something that's really fluffy and moist so that when you take a bite into it, it's not really like dried up like that. Because as soon as I eat this, I already want something to drink. I would say like I would definitely wish it was more moist. Alright guys, so our next snack will be the Liebeneis. It's like these butter cakes, kind of like a, what do you call it? Like these little crackers or something, like a biscuit type of thing. So it's cool. Pack is like a little rectangle. I feel like I know what this tastes like because I feel like I've tasted this before. Alright, so like this, regular, it's like a regular cracker. Boom, open it up. Yeah, so it's like a generic cracker. Slight different taste because it's like buttermilk, so you can taste definitely the milkiness of the actual cracker. But the main thing is that it's just similar to what I have here, what I usually try out, so it's not that bad. So, I mean, I wouldn't want to put it in top 3 just because you can find it pretty much anywhere. But it's good just to have it as like a snack. Alright, let's give it a try. So the next one is going to be called Knickknacks. So this one's pretty much like a double crusted peanut with barbecue flavored. So let's just double check what this says here. So Knickknacks, crunchy peanuts that are coated in zesty barbecue flavor, a German favorite that you can't put down. So I really like the wrapping. The wrapping is really cool. So you definitely just like, you see elements of black and red, which is normally what you see in barbecue products. Okay, so they already look like little like pebbles type of thing. I don't know, little pebbles with barbecue in there. Oh wow, that's interesting. You have like a nice crunchy little ball. What you do is you can taste the peanut inside of it. So you crack it open. Really good. Oh wow, yeah, Yeah, you can taste the spices in there really flow perfectly together. I feel like Germans really like peanuts so far. I mean, so far I've had like what, 2, 3 peanut-based products, which I'm not complaining, but it's really good. Oh, the other one's called Beefy. So with the Beefy, I can't really see on the actual paper, the pamphlet they gave me. I think it's actually one of the things that are replaced because I think I have stocks. They gave me something brand new. So it's called Karzara. So it's like a naturally smoked. What is this? I don't know exactly. So let me open it up and see what it tastes like. So this is kind of like a bread texture to it. So if you open it up, it kind of gives like a little sandwich inside. Oh wow, yeah, it is. It's kind of like a sandwich in there. All right, so you can see the taste like of this sausage with the paste. And I believe some cheese on it too. Let's give it a try. So it's pretty cool, like a nice combination, flavorful little snack. Oh wow, here's the pepperoni. So this is kind of like a pizza type of like bread bagel thing. So it's pretty good. Yeah, I definitely give this like, this is probably the best one. This is like 10 out of 10, really good. This is something I'd probably pick up if I'm really hungry. Boom, little snack. Probably 2 of these can definitely fill me up. Well, not fill me up, but good enough just to, you know, be able to go around not being hungry. But this is really, really good. I enjoy this. I love like pizza bagels, like pizza bread. This is like a pizza little bread thing. This is small, but it's really flavorful. I'm really impressed. Wow, definitely lives up to it. So 10 out of 10 on top. So this one is like I think it's like a Nutella almost type of snack. So it's called Hausnuss Schnitzel. So it's pretty cool. It's looks like a waffle on top of chocolate and bits of peanuts. Like I said, they love their peanut or that hazelnuts. One of those. Alright, cool. So it's kind of like it's actually a little darker than what's displayed on the actual packaging, but still, it looks really tasty. So let's give it a taste real quick. Yeah, look at this. So this is actually like like a waffle, chocolate inside, bits of hazelnuts inside of it. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's pretty tasty too. So let's give it a try. Let's give it a taste. Wow. So I honestly thought that this chocolate would probably be way too much just because it looks really thick, like with 3 C's, but this is really, really good because the waffle kind of counterbalances like how much chocolate's inside of it, so it gives you a nice balance of chocolate, hazelnut, and with the waffle. And you know Germany's good known for their chocolate too. Really good. Take it with you anywhere. Eat it. Really scrumptious. Not overpowering either, so it's pretty good. Also, we have another chocolate waffle cookie. The only difference with this one is called Knoppers. It has like a vanilla coating inside of it. Oh, vanilla layer inside of it. We'll see how this is because I know this one might be a little too much chocolate. Because it has like that thick layer there, has the milk inside of it. So maybe the milk might help balance the flavors, but let's double check just because I don't want to, you know, assume something now. So it looks pretty good. So let's give it a try. So you can taste a little bit of the milk, not too much, but I wish there was more milk in it just because like you can definitely taste chocolate, of course, but I want that sweet vanilla just to balance it, you know? Yeah, you definitely want this like sweet balance of the milk and chocolate, but right now I'm just getting more of the chocolate, so it's alright. Like I just don't want this to be too much because if I eat like this, well, granted there's only 1 cracker inside of it, but even if I ate like another one, I probably won't be able to finish it just because it's too much for me. What we have next is gummies. Now this is called La Gummy Minis. Yeah, so they're like regular like gummies. Look like they, or is there any shapes in them? Let's give it a try. Oh no, so they're just shaped like the actual fruit that they taste like. So yeah, like the banana. This is like banana. I don't know what the heck this is. This one is like a weird shaped one. I don't know if it's like an apple or something. Oh, this is a leaf. I wonder if it tastes. Oh, it can't be. So it's alright, but just it's so little. Like there's only a little bit in the packaging, so I don't think it's something like I would definitely like. So it's alright, but I wouldn't buy them just because they're so small. I mean, for me personally, I definitely wouldn't buy this. It tastes good, but not. It's just so small. I wish there was more of it, like bigger size. I'd rather have bigger portions than to have to buy another pack of small minis. And then last but not least, we have these like. I have a couple of them actually. So it's like a couple of these, maybe like these hard candies. Yeah, so I have like a couple of these hard candies. They look like generic like old people candies or just regular candies. They get like cough drops type of thing. But let's try them out. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. Well, you could go wrong with this, but yeah, like, there's a generic hard candy with just like a fruit flavored around it. So it's alright. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend this either, just because you can generally get these anywhere. And the one I got, it's like I think like a black raspberry. Definitely tastes raspberry in it. I don't know if it's black or like a regular raspberry, but nice and sweet. But I just, like I said, I wouldn't really go out my way to buy this. It's just something like if I happen to have it, if someone presented it to me, I would take it, but like I wouldn't necessarily want to buy it. Yeah, it's alright. So I mean, definitely one of the bottom ones, just because it's like so simplistic. Yet they could have done something like, you know, different, something cool with it, but it's alright. I mean, I don't mind. So guys, last but not least is the actual drink. It's called Mezzo Mix. So this looks like maybe like a cola or juice. So let's see what this is all about. So for this one, you have the, let's see, a tasty twist on cola you know and love, and a refreshing twist of orange soda. So it's like a orange soda based type of thing. So it looks pretty cool. So I would definitely probably see this and look like, oh, that's pretty interesting. I'll probably buy it. Look at that. It's similar to Coca-Cola, but the only difference, you can taste a little citrus in it. So you can taste you can taste the citrus in it, or the orange in the actual soda, which is not bad. I like it, but for this, it's too similar to Coca-Cola, where I would just end up buying Coca-Cola, unless this is actually cheaper. But it's good tasting, but honestly, if I were to see this, I would want something to be like, you know, something different, something like crazy, like with a taste. But it's just similar to cola. I'd pick it up if I saw this, just because it's a good taste. Not as like strong like a Coke would be, but like a nice neutral taste right in the middle of it. So I like this. I like this. So guys, that pretty much concludes my unboxing of the snack crate of September. This was the Germany edition box, which is pretty cool. I got to try different snacks, different drinks from Germany. So I really enjoyed it. There's a lot of them I really loved in particular. There's some that I just thought was a little generic. Some I thought was really cool and innovative. So I definitely would recommend this box if you guys want to try something new, especially if you want to travel the world and you want to be able to just know that, you know, certain snacks taste good, or so you know what some certain snacks taste like. So this is actually a good way of doing it. It definitely expands your like palette and different, you know, as far as different tasting, different snacks. So guys, do hit that like and subscribe button for more content about unboxing for any snacks from different parts of the world, travel vlogs, and restaurant reviews. So take care guys, be safe, social distance, 6 feet, and wear a mask, and take care guys.